Laura coming to you from the quilt shop in downtown Chesaning at the stoplight. We are going to show you this super, super fun idea. It is a bolt of binding. Yes, for real, a bolt of binding. So you can see it's in strips on the bolt, or maybe you can't see, there's a little white line there. Okay, so what you do is you cut however much binding you want. And the beauty of each of these bindings is, see what it looks like here? I know this doesn't make sense yet, but two things are gonna happen. When we fold it over, we can use it on the side that has words, or we can use it on the side that does not have words. So each piece you have two options with. So the words on this say, this is the national anthem, I believe. Yes, this is the national anthem across that. Okay, so it's the width of fabric, so 45 inches, and you cut your 2.5 inch piece, fold it over like you normally do, and then you're gonna sew your binding on. So we'll give you a sample of that in a minute. So what we have is this red, white, and blue one, and this is called Patriotic. Makes sense. Also, this fabric is $16 a yard. A full yard of this will bind a king-size quilt. The second one is called Holidays, Berries, and Trees. So if you look at this, when you fold it, you'll either have the berries or you'll have the trees, and the trees are red, green, and blue. Okay, another one we have, of course we have to get two that are during the winter because Laura loves winter. And I know this looks like a, it looks like teeth.
Yeah.
Okay, so you fold that one in half and you've got trees, or you fold it in half the other way and you have my favorite season. I know I can't say that when we're finally getting sun, and you have snowflakes. And this one is called Winter Snowflakes and Trees. Pretty logical. Okay, super cute. Next one. This one is spooky. Spooky, spooky. You can have bats and haunted houses. Bats and haunted houses. Or you can have witches on a broom in the moon. Or you can have spiders.
Oh.
Isn't that cute? Okay. And then we have two more. And these two are the same. One is on a black background and one is on a white background. And it is Rainbow Stripe Dark and Rainbow Stripe Light. Let's show you that one. So you can just do, and look how super, super cute that would be for binding. No words. Let's show you the white one. No words. Oh my gosh, I love those. Or with the words, and these words are, you are worthy, you are loved, you are capable, you are seen, you belong. So super cute. Exactly what every mom, dad, grandma, and grandpa wants to tell their kids. Okay, so those are all the different ones we have. So $16 a yard. 1 yard will do a king-size quilt for sure. And okay, so let's do this. We're gonna do one side with the words and one side without the words. All right, now here we are close up so you can see what we're doing with the binding. So your usual, fold the binding in half, iron it down. We'll do just a quick sew down. There we go. Okay, now we sewed that on the back and we're gonna flip it to the front and do a little top stitch. Oops, knocked my foot off. Don't you hate it when your foot falls off? Okay, so now we do it just like we're doing regular binding. And we're gonna sew like a 1/16 of an inch in. And there we go. There's your binding. Beautiful. Isn't that fun? Super fun. Okay, so I have another short piece here that I cut. Now let's do the other way. Let's see how easy or hard. I have not done this yet, so we're about to find out. Nope, I need to do it this way. Okay, so you got to think just a little bit. You're looking at the side that you don't want. All right, let's do that again real quick. We're just going to sew right down this side, 1/4 of an inch in. So these are all 2.5 inch strips to make 2.5 inch bindings. I typically do 2 1/4. Not like it's any difference. I mean, it's a what, 1/4 of an inch difference. And then I'm going to flip this over, and now I'm going to top stitch here. Okay, so let's see how this works. We're gonna go right here. It's a lot of pressure doing binding with a camera running. Okay, let's see how we did. So words on that side. Words on this side. Oh, and the rockets regular and the bombs bursting in air. Anyway, blah, 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 yada, yada. Okay, so there you go. So it is one piece from the same bolt, cut 2.5 inches, fold it over. You use the without the words or with the word side. So that was pretty easy to do, considering I just did that for the first time while you were watching. So that's what it is. So we have 4th of July, holiday, winter, Halloween, and 2 stripes on background, dark background and light background. $16 a yard. 1 yard does a king size quilt. Otherwise you can measure. If you've been quilting, you know how to figure out binding. So that's it. That's our new idea for you. Hope you love it as much as I do. Have a great day.